Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to find low competition keywords with high traffic. Each of the newbies then start a blog and SEO expert sets himself the task of making his online resource appear in the top of Google for certain keywords, of course. This is a great goal, and of course each of you wish to achieve great results here. The best result is, of course, to make sure that at least 2-3 keywords will allow you to be on the top of Google. The task seems to be unsolvable, but is it really so? Let's first go to Google and see which keywords exist and which sites drop out for certain keywords on the first page of Google. So let's assume you want to create a website where you write some articles about coffee. So let's try to find some keywords using Google first, and then I will show you how to use different services, different software, so online software, where you can start finding your keywords. So for example, we can just use this keyword reasons why coffee is bad for you to see if this keyword is popular. And we have here lots of results here on the first page of Google. And as you see here, there are some articles here. 9 reasons why coffee is good for you, 10 reasons to quit coffee. So we can just copy this keyword, and we can go to kiwifinder.com. It is a very useful uh, very useful software online tool where you can just type in here your keyword reasons why coffee is bad for you, and then we can click on find keywords to find different keywords using this amazing tool. As you can see here, this keyword is not so difficult, but still we need some keywords that lower than 30. But first of all, we need to go back to Google and find other different articles because there are some articles beginning with some keywords. For example, benefits and disadvantages of coffee can be also a good keyword for us. So let's try to find it too. Health benefits and what else? Uh, and disadvantages and disadvantages to drink coffee, for example. To drink coffee. It's a very long keyword, as you see, but still we can find that is also quite difficult keyword. Yes, low competition, but it is not what we are looking for. So try to Google and try to find some articles. For example, if your website related to coffee, if your website related to any other niche, try to find different articles so you can just go to next, and then you have a good idea which keywords you can use. I'm telling you that simple strategies because many newbies that start with their blogs make a lot of small mistakes when it comes to finding relevant keywords for articles, and they can simply find the first keyword they like, apply them in their articles, but get no results. In any case, the correct selection of keywords for articles is one of the most important tasks of SEO optimization. I want to add that if you have not started your blog yet but want to do that, then you will find all the useful links for starting your own online business in the description under this video. And first of all, as I said, we need to find relevant keywords, and of course, I carefully try to search keywords for each article and try not to chase the number of articles by paying more attention to quality. So it means that many people maybe can write articles using maybe 50 different keywords. It's not the right strategy. It is important for me that the article gradually goes to the top of Google. It may even be slower than you think, but I'm taking the time to gradually optimize the article over time and change the keywords slightly to see results. This works very well, and you will learn this too with time. So first, let me show you again which keywords you can find on my own blog. As you see here, there are some articles I have here. Uh, these are not lots of low competition keywords, but I'm trying to experiment. I'm trying to write some very long headlines. I try to experiment with words I'm using here, with keywords I'm using here in this article. So you can just take a closer look at my articles. For example, 5 business ideas for women is not a very relevant keyword. I mean, it is not a very low competition keyword, of course. So uh, let's try to enter here 5 business ideas for women, and then we will click on search. Okay, I need to upgrade my plan. Okay, in any case, if you don't want to upgrade your plan on this amazing tool, you can use another tool, and I will show you how this tool works. But again, kiwifinder.com is a very good online software, and you can use it for your business. I'm using another tool as well, and I will show you right now this tool as well. So when you type in here Hrefs keyword generator, you will have this link. So we will click this link, and we will be redirected to Hrefs tool. So keyword tool, free keyword generator. So you can use this free keyword generator when you are just a newbie, when you are just starting working with your keywords, and then you can just upgrade to this amazing kiwifinder.com tool. All links can be found in the description under this video, and I will show you right now how it looks like. So as I said, we can just use these 5 business ideas for women headline, and we can just type this headline here, 5 business ideas for women, and we can just use United States because my main audience is from United States. You can just use here any other country you want to. So maybe you want to have people from Turkey, I don't know, maybe from United Kingdom. In any case, I will show you an example how it works with United States. So we will click right now on find keywords. So I'm not a robot here, and as you see here, there are no relevant keywords. So we can just short it a little bit, and it will be business ideas for women. So as you see here, there are lots of different keywords, but I would recommend using this one, business ideas for women at home, business ideas for women 2021, good business ideas for women. As you see here, there is a very low competition, but I would recommend using keywords that lower than 30, maybe lower than 20 even. Yes, because when you just starting with your articles, with your blog, you need more low competition keywords. But again, if you want to experiment with keywords, you can just try uh, to write different articles. But again, I would recommend using know this tool, because this tool, this free keyword generator, is to is more for you to understand how it works with keywords. But this tool shows you exactly how you can find relevant keywords, how you can use low competition keywords. So keyword difficulty, you can see here keyword difficulty, because it is a very important rank. Yes, and of course you can just use starting this tool as well. So just try to find very low competition keywords. Maybe we can just try to add here amazing business ideas for women. Let's just try again. Okay, there are no such keywords. Good business ideas for women. Okay, keyword difficulty is 37, but I would recommend using maybe keyword difficulty 25, 28, 22. So try to experiment even 18, maybe. It will be a very good low competition keyword. You can use then this keyword when writing your article. So just try to use this keyword in your headline, and then you will see how much traffic you can just start getting from Google. Also, for example, you want to start a diet website. Maybe you have already heard about keto diet, so you can just type in here keto diet and just click on find keywords, and we will have here, I'm sure, lots of different results, low competition, high competition keywords, because it works quite long, so it thinks how many keywords can be found here. So let's try to scroll down to find some relevant keywords. As you see, keto diet is not a low competition keyword. It is a high competition keyword because it is a very great volume here. And these keywords are not for us because we are just starting our blog, and we need to scroll down here to the bottom of the page. And as you see here, there are some long keywords, how to start keto diet. But of course, just use this amazing tool, kvfinder.com, to find other relevant keywords, low competition keywords, of course. And as I said, our goal is to find keywords with a difficulty less than 30, maybe 25, 28, 20. But again, I sometimes use keywords that are higher than 30 just to test them with my blog, because as you see, I have here some not so low competition keywords, because I just try to see if my articles will be high ranked in Google. So I try to optimize my blog, of course, just finding some low competition keywords, high competition keywords. I try to mix them up, let's say, and see how it looks like for Google. If I can be ranked for some keywords on the first page on Google, on the other pages of Google. So I try to experiment each day, each week, each month. So sometimes even try to find some keywords where the key difficulty is less than 10, maybe 9. It must be a very long keyword, of course, and it's not very easy to find them. For example, how many eggs per day can someone eat on keto diet? Um, on the first glance, it can be it can be thought it is a very long keyword, but as you see here, the volume is quite a great volume, because 5,000 searches is a very great deal. So don't use this keyword, because try to find similar keywords maybe that has a volume of about 500, 1,700, and try to use kvfinder.com. So this website, this tool, to select the keywords and to find the keyword difficulty, because if it is 20, not 90, not 85, but maybe it's 20 keyword difficulty, you can just use this as a headline for your article. So the next step is to write an article for your website, for your blog, with use of keyword in the title of your article. For example, how to start a blog and make money this year. So we can just go here and type in here how to start a blog and make money. For example, this very long keyword, and we will see which results we have here. As you see here, how to start a blog and make money is 72. Is a very high competition keyword, but still I'm trying to experiment, as I said. So with my articles, don't if you are a newbie, don't do that, because you need low competition keywords. You need to find other keywords. As you see here, it is very, for example, here volume is about 10. It's not a very good keyword as well. So try to find some keywords that are very long, that very low competition keywords, and that have volume of about 200, 500, 900. It is a very good start for your article. And so, if you don't have your own blog but would like to create a blog using a unique template, then you will find all the useful links in the description under this video. The next step is the next step is to start your blog, as I said, and you need to add articles to your blog. You need to have a WordPress installed, of course, and you need to know how to write the headline. It's not very difficult. You just need to log in into your dashboard and you can just start writing such articles using using SEO rules. If you don't know how to write articles, you can just go to Google. There are lots of SEO rules you need to apply to, and of course, you need a web hosting if you want to have a web hosting and start your own blog. You can just use my discount, and you can just use all useful links under the description in this video. So in the description under this video, of course. Try to also pay attention to grammar. So grammar, of course, I have some small mistakes when I'm writing my article. I'm not the genius. I'm not the genius in writing some articles, and I also have some freelancer who help me to write articles. And I also pay attention to grammar, of course, passive and active voice when writing an article, spelling. And also don't forget that you need to write an article according to all the SEO rules, as I said before. Don't forget that not only the right choice of keywords is important, but also a lot of other key factors. So grammar, spelling, active, passive voice, SEO rules. So it's very easy. It's very easy to write an article because you just can think it's very difficult maybe. But I say to you, when you spend some time, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just by learning these things on how to write articles, how to find low competition keywords, etc., you will be an expert. It's very easy. And the next topic is how to have your site at the top of Google search. See now in a few weeks where your article will appear on Google, and in any case, if you are not completely satisfied with the result, then this may mean that you may not have chosen the right keyword or you have not optimized the article correctly so that it looks friendly to search engines and Google. Your task is to work on the article until you start getting the first visitors to read your article. This can already be considered a certain successful result in achieving your goal. In any case, try to learn a very useful tool called kiwifinder.com, and all useful links can be found in the description under this video. So let's go to the conclusion. I'm sure that you like this video and you already want to create your own blog, fill it with articles, and start earning as a blogger. This is a great desire, but first you will need relevant web hosting, the blog template itself, and of course information how to get a lot of traffic to your blog. All useful links can be found in the description under this video. Once again, I want to add that finding certain keywords is very important for any online business. Everything related to the technical part, that is creating your own blog, can all be done very quickly. But finding keywords is important, and I want to repeat this again, that it's important to learn how to find relevant keywords for your blog. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive any other interesting video. Leave your comments if you have any questions on this topic, and I will try to answer them because I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to answer all your comments. So please don't be shy. So please don't forget to comment on this video, and I will be waiting for your comments. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I wish you a good day. Bye bye.